everyone, so today we're going to show to you how to use VI editor on Linux. So do you guys know what VI editor is used for? It is actually a visual editor that creates text files that contain data, documents and programs. It is actually one of the oldest editors available on the Unix platform. Quite interesting, isn't it? So to start with, we have to create a file. So we're gonna use the command vi no file name. So I'm gonna use my file as my file name and then press enter. So you're gonna look like this. So first we can insert any text that we would like to. So to insert text, first press I. So I'm gonna show insert. So you can start typing anything you want. So let's see. Okay, so I've typed hi, welcome to my channel. So let's start with text input commands. So let's try to change the current word. So let's say I try to change the word channel. So what we're gonna do, I have to press escape and then you're gonna press CW. So you can see the word channel has been erased, so we can type a new word. So I'm just gonna type the word channel back. Okay, so let's say we want to change the current line. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna press escape again and then press CC. So it's gonna delete the entire line, so you can retype the new word. So I'm just gonna type the sentence again. Hi, welcome to my channel. So next, if you want to insert a new line below the current line and I'm gonna allow insertion, so I'm gonna press escape and then I'm gonna press O. So you can see a new line has been made. So how if you want to insert new line above, so I'm gonna press escape and I'm gonna press O uppercase. So you can see a new line above the current line has been created. So next, how are we going to move the cursor without using the mouse? So we can use the command prompt itself. So let me show you a few commands. So let's start with how to move to the previous character. So for example, now your cursor is at channel, so you want to move to the previous character, so you can press escape H. So as you can see, it moving backward. So I'm just gonna press again and again, escape H, escape H, escape H. So you can see it keep moving to the previous character. So if you want to move to the next character, just press escape and L. So let me try escape L. So you can see the cursor is moving to the next character. So how if you want the cursor to move to the next line? So you're gonna press escape and then J uppercase. So as you can see, the cursor is already at the next line. So then how if you want to move to the previous word? So let's say you want to move to the word channel, so you have to press S and the letter B. So as you can see, it's moving from previous word to previous word. Escape B, escape B, escape B. So how if you want to move to the next word? You have to use the command escape W. So SW, as you can see, the cursor is moving from words to another word. So then, what about if you want to move to the end of the word? You can press E. So as you can see, cursor moves from the beginning of the word to the end of the word. So how if you want to move to the beginning of the first line on the screen? Just press S and H uppercase. So as you can see, the cursor has moved to the beginning of the first line. Okay, so this is your first line. So so then if you want to move to the middle line, you have to press escape and then M uppercase. As you can see, the cursor has moved to the middle line. So this is the middle line. So if you want to move to the last line, press escape and L uppercase. You can see the cursor has moved to the beginning of the last line on the screen. So how if you want to move to the beginning of the previous sentence? You have to press escape and then open bracket. As you can see, the cursor move to the beginning of the previous sentence. So if you want to move to the beginning of the next sentence, just press S and close bracket. So as you can see, the cursor moved. Okay, now I will show you how to use delete commands. So let's say if you want to delete the current character, so if you want to delete the character L on the word line, so what you have to do, you have to press escape and then press the word X. So as you can see, the character L has been deleted. So if you want to delete the entire word, let's say if you want to delete the word line, so you have to press S and then press DW. So the word line has been deleted. So if you want to delete the current line, just press escape and press DD. So as you can see, the first line has been deleted. So let's say if you want to delete certain number of lines, so let's say if you want to delete both this line and this line, so what you have to do, you have to press S and press 2DD. So as you can see, both lines has been deleted. So let's say if you want to undo all the words and sentences that you have been deleted, so how are we going to do that? So you can just simply press S and then press U. As you can see, all the words and sentences has been restored on the screen. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to use find commands in VI editor. So let's say you have thousands of words in your file and you can exactly remember the words that you want to search. So you can use this command. You can press S and then press backslash and then press and then type the word that you want to search. For example, if you want to search the word line, so as you can see, it will highlight the words that you want to search. Okay, so let's try another word. So let's say if you want to search the word welcome, so as you can see, it will highlight the word welcome in your file. So then, how if you want to search in the backward direction? Just simply press ESC and then press the question mark and then type the word that you want to search. So for example, channel. So as you can see, it works the exactly same way. It will highlight the words that you want to search in the file. So let's say find the word get. As you can see, it highlights the word get on the file. So how if you simply just wanna repeat the previous search? You can press escape and then press backslash, then press enter. So as you can see, your previous search of the line which you searched for line earlier has been recovered on the screen. So lastly, I'm going to show you how to save and exit from the VI editor. So if you have done all your work with the VI editor and you want to save the file, so you can press A and then press the colon and then press W and the exclamation mark and then press enter. So once you have pressed enter, it means your file has been saved into the computer. So let's say how if you want to save the file to a different file. So you can press S and then press colon and then press W and exclamation mark and then enter the file name that you want to save. So for example, I want to save to the file new file, then press enter. So your work has been saved to the new file. So how if you want to save all the changes and quits? You can press escape colon then press WQ and then press enter. So as you can see, it has quit the VI editor and in the same time it saves all the changes that you made. So that's it for today, and don't worry guys, if you can catch up to what I'm teaching you, I have prepared, I have insert all the commands that you need to know at the end of this video.